I find myself staring at a blank page, pen in hand, ready to spill out the chaos within. Yet as I write, the words that flow aren't tethered to my current mood or dominant issues. It's almost as if the act of writing pulls at threads of my subconscious, bringing forth a tapestry of thoughts I didn't even know were there. It's like magic, how writing can serve as a conduit to a part of myself that transcends the immediate mess of emotions. The paradox of purposeful journaling. I've always believed that journaling should be about grappling with the big questions, addressing major concerns or interests in order to harness insights worth sharing. There's an irony here, though, in that my journaling often feels abstract, a meandering stream of consciousness not necessarily pinned down to a specific topic. It's fascinating how the process demands selecting a focal point, yet the power of journaling lies in its ability to wander and explore. This paradox of journaling, between being both deliberate and spontaneous, mirrors life itself. We're told to focus on creating meaningful content, yet sometimes the beauty lies in the seemingly pointless, in the scraps of thoughts we gather along the way. These fragments, though not immediately profound, offer a canvas for reflection. They are snapshots of the moment when pen meets paper, capturing the echoes of our thoughts and perhaps the small happiness we tend to overlook. Embracing the art of abstract thought. The allure of journaling also lies in its capacity for abstraction. Unlike structured writing, journal entries can flip between topics, mirroring the erratic nature of our minds. There's a fluidity in writing that allows for a broad interpretation. Each reader, including my future self, might draw different meanings from the same page. I find solace in this ambiguity, as it offers freedom from the confines of needing to produce something overtly important. The act of writing becomes an art form, where the process itself is valued over the product. In a world obsessed with efficiency and productivity, giving myself permission to write without a clear agenda is liberating. It's about capturing the ephemeral, the transient whisperings of the mind, and letting them linger as a testament to the moment. Finding peace in a chaotic routine. Ironically, this pointless journaling has turned into a sacred ritual, a harbor amidst life's storms. When life gets overwhelming, the simple act of writing provides a respite, a moment to breathe. It's a modest ritual, yet it has become a cornerstone of how I navigate stress and anxiety. Through this practice, I've started to appreciate the small moments, the transient instances that make up the fabric of daily life. In capturing these snapshots in my journal, I've found a deeper understanding of myself and my emotions. The act of writing becomes a dialogue with oneself, a quiet moment of introspection that can bring clarity and calm. The value of writing without judgment. Reflecting on my journaling habit, I've come to realize that the value isn't in crafting a perfect narrative, but in the act itself. Writing without judgment, allowing the words to flow unfiltered. It's a reminder that not every thought needs to be weighty to be worth writing. In embracing this philosophy, I've found a renewed joy in the mundane, a contentment in simply allowing myself to be, without the pressure to create something meaningful. Writing, in this sense, becomes a celebration of existence, a reminder that our thoughts, no matter how scattered, hold significance by virtue of being ours. In conclusion, the act of journaling transcends the need for purpose or mood alignment. It's a space where the mind can wander freely, where thoughts can exist without the need to be polished or profound. As I continue to fill my journal with these seemingly pointless entries, I find that they hold a quiet power, a testament to the value of embracing the chaos within.